our Soiree setup, we can start selecting or entering customer orders for the guests. So I'm going to use a previous Soiree that we have. We find those all under the step 1. Once it loads, you'll see all of the guests that you have invited show up under the guests. And if they have sent in their response from the invite, whether it's yes, no, no, but I'd like to order, it will pop up right here under response received. So at this point, you could invite more guests, or you could start entering orders. As you can see, I have one order entered already. This order is under unprocessed batch orders, which means that I've entered product onto this order, but I have not processed their credit card. So at this point, inventory is not yet secured. So if I want to edit or complete this order or enter new orders, I would select Enter Orders Now. So when you're in the order screen here, you can either enter in a Soiree guest. Maybe someone brought a friend that you weren't anticipating. You can enter their info here and add them to the Soiree, or you can begin entering new orders. You'll see that next to Becky Jaspers, there's an order entered because I have one already here. But like I said, this has not yet been processed. So inventory is not secured for this order yet. So we are going to place a new order for Jen.
I would like one of everything, please.
You'll notice that for this Soiree, we picked ship to host. So you'll see that the shipping address has been grayed out. If you want to change, you will be prompted to do so with your warning that the drop ship fee will apply. And that is the same fee as the direct ship. So you would be charged $16 for your order. So just make sure that if you do this, your customer will be charged $16 shipping as opposed to the $8 shipping. The billing address must be entered, and it must match the billing address on the credit card used. So that's a key point, and that's just something for extra security with the credit cards. In this screen, you'll only have the option to shop from the Soiree catalog. You can enter the SKU number here, and if you hit that little question mark, all of them will pop up. So right away, we can see if you want to enter the Circa Pant in dust, you can do a simple copy-paste, or if you know it's the SKU, you could just type it in. And then when you tab over, you'll see that everything pops up there. So enter a quantity, hit Add. Another way to shop would be to search by the SKU number or the product code, or sorry, the product name. So maybe we want to shop for the on-the-go hoodie. Or you could even just do on-the-go and hit Find Product. While that's loading, you'll notice that all of the items currently on this order are showing under items currently on this order. So after all of the orders have all the products been entered, you would select the shipping, but for Stylist and Soiree shipping, it's the same. Recalculate your total. And then down at the bottom, you can, if the customer is paying you with cash or a check, you would select Stylist will pay for this order. You can pay with multiple credit cards. You would use this option if you as the stylist are paying for a portion of their order. And then you would click here to enter all of the info, and you have the option to enter 10 different credit cards if you need it. Or finally, if the guest is paying with a credit card, you would enter their payment info directly in this screen. Select your payment method. And here you would enter their credit card and hit Save Order. Since I haven't entered a credit card, I'm going to hit Return. Yes, sorry, Jen just pointed out that this is where you would enter the CVV number on the back of the card. Again, this is just for extra security, so that it's just to know that the card holder is present. So like I said, once all of that is entered, you would hit Save. I'll do it now just to show you that since I haven't entered a credit card, it will prompt me to do so. See up at the top, I have a few warnings that I haven't entered the billing address. I have not entered much here. See, so all of these things will flag you. Go back and enter some more information. But since I don't want to charge Jen for this order right now, we're not going to enter her credit card number.
So Katrina, once you enter multiple guest orders, they go into, they will all show up.
Under Step 8, Review Pending Process Order.
Right.
So from here, if I had entered Jen's credit card, I would go to Step 5 and hit Process Batch. This means that you are charging credit cards, you are securing inventory, and you are completing their order. After you do this, no changes can be made to those orders. If you do have something, if there's a problem with it, all you can do is call the playground to void the order, and you would have to re-enter it. If you were paying for a portion, or if you were paying for a customer's order, you would see the little money under Stylist Pay, and you would enter that information under Step 4. Once the order, your payment, the stylist payment would be down here. And as it's calculating, the host award will show up here. So right now, there's $88 that are counting towards stylist benefit. And down at the bottom, it will show, once they've reached that level, obviously this one is not yet a qualifying survey, once they reach that level, it will show them what they have earned. So their half-price items, whether it's 2, 3, or 4, and their free products, it will calculate that dollar amount there. So that is how you enter orders for your survey guests. Pretty simple.